Hello everyone, welcome back to Kenny Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a spaziale. This unit was brought in because there was an issue with the steam one, but in our diagnosis we found a few other issues. The initial problem we fixed was replacing the pump, which isn't too much of a hassle, but after replacing that we still had a leak in the unit. We found that one of the pipes was clogged, so we had to take that out and clean her out. And then we ran a descale through the machine to decalcify and get all that built-up calcium out. We also replaced the hot water and steam boiler. So a lot of work went into this machine, but it's all worth it. Let's run the shots. You can see how wonderfully this machine works. Starts off as a really slow pour, and then once the pressure builds, the machine kind of kicks into another gear, which you'll hear shortly. As you can see, it's really, really good crema. Nice strong espresso. There it is. And now we push your pressure. Beautiful. Look at that. That is a good espresso shot. That is a 2-ounce cup with about a 1-ounce espresso. And then let's get some steam out of it, and there you have it. Working like a charm. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with our content. Thank you very much.